Atmospheric CO2 concentrations are increasing more rapidly than they've increased for many millions of years. And we're really pushing the Earth into uncharted territories. Most of the carbon dioxide that we're emitting will ultimately be absorbed by the ocean. When CO2 reacts with seawater, it becomes carbonic acid. In high enough concentrations, it's corrosive to the shells and skeletons of many marine organisms. The ocean is becoming acidic at a more rapid rate than it has for many tens of millions of years. And it's thought that within a few decades, there'll be no place left in the oceans that will be able to, for example, sustain coral reefs. Somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 of all species in the ocean live for at least part of their life cycle on coral reefs. And so what will the loss of these reefs mean for all these species? Nobody can really say. There's a potential for a domino effect where you lose coral reefs and then you start losing species that depend on the coral reefs, and maybe you lose species that depend on those. On the other hand, maybe the system is more resilient and can recover from some of these insults. And so it's hard to predict in detail how much the loss of, say, these coral reef ecosystems will impact the rest of the ocean, but it's a risk we'd like to avoid. We know that we're going out into uncharted territory. We're making the kinds of chemical changes in the ocean that have only been seen at the time of great mass extinctions when most of the organisms in the ocean died off.